As we say in English, this room is mine. This room is mine. So this word in Urdu will say, ये कमरा मेरा है. ये कमरा मेरा है. Put this book on the table. Put this book on the table. So this same word will be said in Urdu, ये किताब टेबल पर रख दो. ये किताब टेबल पर रख दो. किताब mean book. I want to meet you. I want to meet you. We will say this same word in Urdu. मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ. मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ. As they say in English, I know you. I know you. The same word will be said in Urdu. मैं आपको जानता हूँ. मैं आपको जानता हूँ. As they say in English, can you come to meet me? Can you come to meet me? So we will say this word in Urdu. क्या आप मुझसे मिलने आ सकते हैं? If we say in English, I want some water. I want some water. So we will say this word in Urdu. मुझे थोड़ा पानी चाहिए.